Hi, I'm Chris with waterworkstools.com. Today we're going to be introducing our WWT 3/4 to 6-inch hot tap machine. We've set up a 6-inch piece of steel pipe with a double strap service saddle and a 2-inch ball valve. Okay, so before we get started doing the 2-inch hot tap, I'm going to show you guys how to properly install the hole saw and the pilot drill. When you pull your boring bar out of your kit, it's going to come in, it's going to look just like this with nothing on it except for the mandrel. What I always like to do first is take out the set pin that holds the mandrel in place. From there I like to take the mandrel and bring it all the way to the top of the boring bar. For 2-inch hot tap, you're going to use a 1 7/8 hole saw. These two nubs here are going to match the two nubs that are on the back of the hole saw. Install it on there and thread everything all the way down. And there's a hole in the boring bar, and you want to bring the hole that's in the mandrel all the way to the bottom of that hole. And then what you're going to do is reinstall your hole saw set pin. From there, you're just going to flip it over. There's two Allen heads on the back, and what you're going to do is you're going to lock the hole saw into the mandrel. And just bring them down until they're snug. Once that's finished, everything's locked in place. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your 3/8 pilot drill with retention wires, and there's a flat on every pilot drill. You're going to line it up with this hole and slide it right in. And from here you're going to set your depth of your pilot drill so it slides in and out. What I like to do is I like to have the bottom set of pilot wires about even with the top of the teeth. Okay, now that we've got the boring bar set up with the pilot drill, we know we're going to be doing a 2-inch hot tap through our 2-inch full port ball valve. So we're going to, I've already pre-set up the adapter with the 1/4-inch ball valve that comes in the kit. This is used for pressure testing and as a blow-off. Just take it and install it onto the bottom of the machine, threads right on. Take it all the way down until it locks in. Once it's locked in, you take your boring bar that's already set up and go ahead and slide it through the packing. And bring it all the way up. Once you've done that, then you're good to go. You can go ahead and install it onto your ball valve. Just go ahead and thread it in. At this point, we've already pressure tested, so we know everything's good to go. We're going to open the valve. We're going to go ahead and bring the pilot all the way down till it touches the pipe. Probably back it off just a little bit. Go ahead and take our drive motor, slide it on. And what I recommend you guys do is buy the this T-handle wrench for the chuck. It just makes life a lot easier. What you're going to do is go ahead and tighten down. On the boring bar. Once it's nice and tight, then you're good. At this point you're going to go ahead and take your feed screw assembly. I like to bring mine all the way back so you get the full travel. Go ahead and install your feed screw on there. There's a little hole right here. I don't know if you can see it, but this pin locks in your feed screw into your drive motor. Once that's locked in, now you're pretty much ready for your hot tap. What I like to do, go ahead and lock yourself in here. Now that everything's locked in together, I like to bring that boring bar and make sure it's off the pipe a little bit. So you already know what it is. Now you can proceed and go ahead and do your hot tap. There's the pipe. The pilot just hit it. Back it off a little bit. Fire it up. Pilot's on the pipe right now. Now you know your pilot's all the way through because water just came out. So at this point, I like to bring the hole saw all the way down to the pipe. I can feel it right there. And then back it off just a little bit. And go ahead and start. Through. Okay, once you've gone all the way through, at that point, I like to just kind of loosen these up a little bit. Bring the whole assembly up so it locks in. Take it all off. pressure all the way up. Then go ahead and close your full port ball valve. Once that's closed, there's still going to be some remaining pressure in between the valve and your machine. Just open up your 1/4-inch port, blow it off. Once it's blown off, then you know you can unthread your machine safely. The coupon's in there, as you can see. There's your coupon. It's done its job. The pilot drills. The retention wires caught the coupon. Everything's good to go. There's your coupon. That's how the pilot wires prevent the coupon from falling off and down into the pipe. What I like to do at this point is kind of take it down, clean it a little bit, go ahead and remove the pilot and the coupon. There you go, there's your coupon. At this time, that concludes the 2-inch hot tap with the WWT 3/4 to 6-inch hot tap machine. This concludes the 2-inch hot tap video demonstration. I hope you learned something from this video, showing you how easy it is to do an actual 2-inch hot tap branch connection. Please feel free to visit our website at www.waterworkstools.com or call me at any time, 951-223-5574, or shoot me an email at sales@waterworkstools.com. Feel free to visit the site. We have many other options, different machinery. Standard is up to 36-inch. There's quite a few other machines that we're going to be introducing as well. So, thank you.